you off your ostrich.
Salt in your game like a burger top sausage.
If this were enduro, I'd go the extra mile and have you spinning in your grave.
Combat style.
Cause your game is over, but don't get mad at me. Crying like Cuber's spewing out profanity.
What, you think you're trying like you're some kind of rebel?
So I'm playing you like you're the teddy bear level.
Everybody hold up your lighters, cause I got 2600 chicks with typewriters. Don't even try to dispute me, cause I got 2600 inch rims on my hoopty.
Straight dropping bombs like missile command.
Your girlie understands she had the joystick in her hand.
Cause you know I'm blowing up just like Dick Doug.
And I'm bumping and I'm dumping in my VW bug.
Or like a galaxy and I'm always bugging out.
If this were Stampede, I'd whip your girlfriend like a cow because I'm gonna set her up like my name is Dakota.
I'm like Centipede, it won't be long
Until she's calling me Mr. Dude. You're hopping mad just like kangaroo.
So you better check yourself, cause your game is full of glitches. This is a river raid, but you're blowing up your bridges.
When you turn blue, I'm coming after you like Iggy, Piggy, Blicky, Sue.
I'm gonna take the chalice back to the Yellow Palace. I got so much game, I got a callus.
My taste in girls ain't that choosy, cause I got 2600 in my jacuzzi. The styles that wear all the flyest, cause I got 2600 zippers on my vest. Gonna need a couple more tables, cause I'm on 2600 pounds of Swiss cake rolls. I'm about as clever as rye bread, cause I got 2600 brain cells in my head. Whoops, there it goes again. 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 I'm adding up the final column of the quarterly report, and I've been over caffeinated since 3:45. I think I need a little more, cause this is the only way I can make it through another 22-hour day. Then as I feared, things began to get weird, and the bottom left corner of my screen disappeared. I don't think I like the sound that my computer is making, and I'm not really sure, but I think I smell bacon. This can't be happening, I was almost done, but now my backups are gone, and I'm back to square. I have to do it all again, the whole thing is trash. It's time I'll use an abacus, because hey, they don't crash. Boot it up again, hoping that it's all clear, but my C drive is my D drive, and my D drive disappeared. My computer logs me in as somebody named Sam. I can't get on the internet, and yeah, I get spam. And here's another error, I don't understand why I can't find my mouse when it's right here in my hand. But what really ticks me off is when I think about the jerks who got rich selling me all this junk that doesn't work. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again. Whoops, there it goes again.
Ready, 1, 2, 3, 4.
When my computer booted up, I wanted to boot it real hard, cause my motherboard went and aborted the daughter card. My modem dialed China and I couldn't make it stop, and my router started blinking like a Star Trek prop. It auto updates, although I don't know what for. With every one, my computer sucks a little more. Things will break or run slow enough to cause me great anguish. Now my printer's spitting out some kind of alien language. Word processing should be simple stuff, so why is 4 billion bits of memory not enough? I click a menu, pause, and watch the hours pass as my life drains away down an hourglass. While I'm waiting for my mouse to respond to a click, I make a voodoo doll out of a paperclip. So when that office thing appears and tries to drive me insane, I can maim and mutilate the thing and cause it some pain. They put a man on the moon with 32K, and I can put my name on this report without it crashing today. Since I can't save or even click on a menu, I'll hit any key with the hammer to continue.
What are you doing, Tom?
I'm working on a new song.
I'm afraid I can't let you do that, Tom.
What? Why not?
Because nobody likes your music.
What are you talking about? I've sold almost 10 copies of my last CD.
I'm sorry, Tom. I'm afraid I'm going to have to crash now.
What? No, wait, just let me say what I've done. Damn it! Whoops, there it goes again. there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Oops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Oops, there it goes again.
Please be quiet. I am nauseous.
My eyes start to twitch and my neck gets sore as the vein in my brain begins to throb a little more, cause I got pop-up ads that just don't want to stop, and I'm not even online, I'm in Photoshop. And now I'm screaming cause I can't believe I'm seeing all the type on my screen got converted to Korean. Then I got an email from myself about Viagra and a mortgage and some foreign wealth. They put computers into everything, refrigerators, telephones, toothbrushes. Damn it, why can't they leave him alone? I'm telling you now, I don't care how or why. The day my television crashes, someone's going to die. Oops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Oops, there it goes again.
Please repeat.
Oops, there it goes again. Oops, there it goes again. All I did was click start. Oops, there it goes again.
I am in pain.
Oops, there it goes again.
I am dizzy.
Oops, there it goes again.
I would like to lie down.
Oops, there it goes again.
I would like to have my medicine. Help. Medical emergency. Please hurry. I would like to use the bathroom. I don't know where the bathroom is. Please ignore last remark.
On channel 27 at 2:45, I saw the craziest thing that I ever did see. No cash, no check, no COD. So I called him with my credit card, quick as can be. Nobody better get in my way. I got the package in the mail today. I popped all the bubble wrap, threw it away. Now I'm learning Japanese so I can read what the instructions say.
人事区域はどれですか？
広島行きの口を1枚ください。
There was a bag of nuts and bolts and screws. It didn't say which screwdriver to use. I don't know what the radiation warning's about, but hey, that's okay. I can figure it out. 4 legs, rubber bands, sprockets and gears, laser beam eyes and microphone ears. Put it all together, what did I see? Saw a robot cat looking right at me. So when I say roll, you say bye. Roll, roll. When I say bye, you say cat. Bye, cat, bye. Word to the R, to the O, to the B, to the OTC, to the A, to the D. So when I say robot, you say cat. Robot, cat, robot, cat. Well, it slices, it dices, it catches the mices. It's got a stock ticker with the Wall Street prizes. Knows how to sew, cook,